Hi, my name is Alan from Beauty and Bridal Makeup Services, where we help you to stay natural and also stay beautiful. We are an e-commerce beauty and bridals business where we focus on helping our brides, our grooms, and their maids, and any other persons who care about their beauty to stay natural and to stay beautiful at a cost-friendly price. And we focus at bringing our services to you, our clients, and we help them not to spend a lot of money, waste their time to look for us at our offices or at our places of work, but we take time to bring our services and products to them, to where they are, to where they feel comfortable receiving these products from. And that's their places of convenience, whether at their offices, whether at their places of residence, whether places where they have fun from, wherever they want to receive these services and products from. And on top of that, we provide quality services which are cost effective, and we do this by selling these products to them and services, and we offer also beauty and makeup tips to our clients. Something unique about our products or about our services is that there are certain extra free services that we offer to our clients that are not offered at free cost when you go to other businesses or when you go to other service providers. And those are facial cleanups. Usually these other businesses, what they do after working on you, or giving you the facial glow, the makeup, and everything, whatever service that they have given you, they forget about you because you've already paid them, and that's all. They don't care about helping you to clean up your face, which is a bit dangerous, because the more these makeup stay on your skin, the more you get affected. Your skin gets affected. So what we do, we go a further step of helping you to clean up your face using natural products that will help you to stay natural and non-affected by the process of cleaning up this makeup. And also we know that not everyone knows how to clean up a makeup, so we also offer free makeup services to the flower girls and the pet boys, and all these they help us to offer cost-friendly services. What was successful about our business, we were able to have the necessary business equipment, like the toolbox, the bridal makeup box that you can see in the picture with all necessary items there, and a well laid up plan and strategy for our business. So which means we are not operating out of the blue. We have something that we are following or that is guiding us in our business. And we have available professional beauty artists that help us to offer professional services to our clients. What should we do differently? We revise our marketing and advertising strategies to make the business well known throughout the city by using social media platforms and enhanced referral systems, because we believe referral system is a bit stronger because you're being referred by someone who has already enjoyed our services. Okay. For the profits, at this point, the business has not been progressing due to COVID. Most of the clients that had lined up got affected by the pandemic, and they resorted to something much cheaper that doesn't require them to hire a professional beauty artist. So apparently, I had projected to make profits worth $1,066 per month, but we've not yet operated, so no profit and no loss. Projection for future growth: when the business picks up, I project to earn $53.3 per client. And when an extra service is added, I project an additional $25 per client, because the clientele base would have increased. And why should you invest in my company? According to Shweta Satyanarayan, in an article, Why Bridal Makeup Studios Are Profitable, he says, this kind of business has high margins with a promise of around 40% returns annually, and margins are anywhere between 60 to 70%, and the average payback period is between 12 to 18 months for high investments. So basically, this is something that you would have loved to invest in. What would you do with the business if you had more time? I'll do more marketing for the business, because I know apparently not everyone knows much about this special business that I have. So I'll do more marketing and add more services to be offered to attract more clients. So that's all. That's Gar Beauty and Bridal Makeup Services. Thank you, and I hope that this attracts you to come and invest with us. Thank you.